Hello, my aspiring virtual assistants. Welcome back to the Aspiring VA series, your compass to mastering the art of virtual assistance. I am your guide, Cranberry, and today's episode is a gem you don't want to miss: defining your niche. Now, I've been talking to so many aspiring VAs over the years, and there are some of you who are brimming with talent, but you're unsure where to direct your energy. Some of you are searching for your virtual calling, while others are eager for a job, any job to come their way. Well, today we're diving headfirst into why defining your niche is like finding the North Star to guide you on this journey. So, let's dive in. I've had heart-to-heart conversations with many people. I've heard those whispers of uncertainty. What am I good at? What can I bring to the table? And trust me, you're not alone. There's a tale of two groups: those who yearn for the job, any job without a clear plan, and those who want to soar but aren't sure where their wings fit. Picture this: you're in a race, a marathon. Now, would you jump into it with sneakers that don't fit? The same goes for your career. You can't simply expect to land a job if you're not yet prepared. Preparation means finding your niche, and that's where the real magic begins. Have you ever heard the phrase, do what you love and you'll never work a day in your life? Well, that's the magic of a niche. It's not just about your skills, it's about what makes your heart race, what makes you lose track of time. Remember those countless hours you spent perfecting probably your resume, or writing an essay for class, or perfecting your graphics for posting on social media, or just diving deep into social media trends, watching stuff on TikTok, on Pinterest. Guys, that is the starting point of your niche. Trust me. Listen, guys, let's talk superpowers, right? Imagine you have a cloak that transforms you into an expert in one area. That is your niche. That's how you stand out around a sea of people doing the same thing, or a sea of generalists. Clients don't want a jack of all trades. They want the maestro of their specific problem. Your niche is your unique melody to this vast concert of virtual assistants. Let's get real. Guys, honestly, clients are not looking for task doers. They're looking for problem solvers. Your niche isn't just a label. It's the solution to their pain points. Whether you're the social media guru who transforms brands, or you're the wordsmith who weaves compelling stories, your niche defines the impact that you make. Think about it. Clients don't just want anyone. They want the one who understands them, their needs, their industry. So defining your niche isn't a limitation. It is your superpower. It's how you speak the language your potential clients want to hear. It's how you show them, hey, I'm not just any VA. I'm the VA who's perfect for you. So guys, are you ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery? If you are, then here's your treasure map. Reflect on what you love and excel at. They say niche makes you rich, and guess what? It's true. Picking a niche is like giving your VA career a turbo boost. Uncover your passion. What gets your heart racing and your creative juices flowing? Whether it's social media management, graphic design, or even data entry, your niche should light up your world. Research your niche's demand and target audience. Research, my friends, is your compass. Dive into that rabbit hole of what's in demand. Who needs your niche expertise? Research. Dive into your chosen niche. Learn about the latest trends, challenges, and opportunities. This is the knowledge that will make you stand out as an expert. And you also need to test the waters by trying out different tasks within your niche. Variety is the spice of niche life. Dip your toes into different areas. Experiment. Find out what clicks. Your niche should feel like a comfortable sweater and not a tight suit. Refine and refocus. Focus on what sets your heart on fire. It's time to play the elimination game. Cross out the niches that don't make your heart sing. Focus on one where you can truly shine. Remember, it's about quality and not quantity. And now, a pro tip. Don't be afraid to start small. It's okay to specialize within your niche, like focusing on a specific industry or task. This helps to create a strong and recognizable brand. Are you ready to transform your virtual journey? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of the Aspiring VA series. Your niche is your North Star, and I am here to help you navigate through the stars of success. If you're interested in finding out a whole lot more on virtual assistant 101 course is a golden ticket to supercharge your journey to success. Head over to www.savvyberryconsulting.com/coming soon and secure your spot on the waitlist. The course launches September 1st, and everyone on the waitlist will enjoy a 15% discount of the cost price of $199. So don't wait, head over to the site now and join the waitlist. Guys, trust me, the course is really amazing. I took a lot of time creating this course. You get a certificate at the end of the course. You also get a workbook that you have to go through along with the course. Make your notes and put everything into action. You know, it's all well and good to take a course, but if you take no action, you're gonna get nowhere. So take the course, take the actions, and get on your way to having a successful virtual assistant career. But guys, that's a wrap on defining your niche. My incredible aspiring VAs, I'm so happy that you guys clicked in for another one of these videos. Remember, your niche isn't just a title, it's the key to your VA kingdom. Join me next time for episode 3, where we'll delve into crafting an attention-grabbing VA profile. Until then, keep exploring, keep refining, and let your niche shine bright. See you guys in the next video. Bye.